Hey everyone, and welcome to Drive Steady. If this is your first time stopping by, please consider subscribing to our channel to help us out. But in this video, we're going to do a project car update. If you're not familiar with the project car that we're working on, it is a 1976 Pontiac Trans Am, and I've just gotten word that it was freshly painted and it looks unbelievable. So there's a Shelby GT350 behind me. Let's hop in and go check it out. Alright, so like I said, we're on our way to check out the 1976 Trans Am and to see what color it was finally painted. I don't know if you guys paid attention, but in the last video I left that part out, and we finally made a decision on the direction that we want to go with this car. And from what I hear, it looks absolutely amazing. It's actually a pretty rare color, and I'll get into it once we see it. But I'm really excited. I cannot wait. I don't want to speed to get there, but I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you guys are too. Alright, just a quick channel update. The following video coming up after this project car update is a review that I've been looking to do for a very long time. It's a car that I'm very excited about. I'm not really going to give you any hints or so, but it's going to be a really cool car in a very cool color. If you're familiar with the color that I really like, it's going to be in that special color. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you guys like it, so check that out once it comes out, probably in the next week or so. Alright, so we're coming up to a tunnel, and you know what that means when you've got a Shelby GT350. Tunnel exhaust noise. Lower my windows here. Again, never gets old. It is kind of cold out, so I'm going to raise the windows back up, but it's one of those things. I'm telling you, if you don't own a Shelby GT350, or if you've never driven one, the exhaust tone is something to behold, and what keeps you coming back. It's that Voodoo engine with that exhaust note. It's just something to behold. Like I said, it's super cool. For those of you that aren't familiar with California gas prices, I don't know if that's coming through there. $4.17, and that's for 91 Craptane. So you do the math. So almost there, getting excited to see it in person. I hope you're as excited as I am. Quick pull. Sounds amazing. Unbelievable. Keeps me coming back every single time. Right, so we're here. Let's get out of here. Can't wait to see it. Of course, I open the door. I'm always greeted with cool cars. Here's an S63. Here's my Shelby. Always looks amazing. Let's get going. Let's see what that Trans Am looks like. Alright, so here we are, is the shop that is being painted at. Oh my goodness. There it is. Starlight Black is the color, and I think it looks unbelievable. Wow. I don't know if it's coming through in the video here, but that looks absolutely amazing. That looks like it's got a clear coat, ceramic coat, everything on top of it. Oh, look at this. My eye caught that one thing here. Look at that. It's not that good. That might need to be repainted or sanded, but let's see the front. Oh yeah, look at this bad boy. All black. That's gonna be the theme of this car. It's gonna be an all black car. All the trimming here, all the fencing in between the grille areas here will be all black. And the headlight covers here, of course, you can see all black. There's the area for the hood scoop. I will show you that here in a second. But the hood scoop will also be black. These side heat extractors here, I'm not really sure if they're functional back from the 70s, but those will also be black. And if you remember watching the the first video, which I will actually link up here in the right hand corner for you to watch the original video before it was painted. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the back. Squat down here. Yeah. Now let's go look at some of the trim pieces. All right guys, so here's the front bumper. It's also been painted, but you can see there's a bunch of dust on it. It's kind of settled on it. I'm not too happy about that, but anyway, that'll get cleaned off and it'll look really nice once it's done. Here are the front, the wheel wells. Here's the wing. That's also been painted in black. Here are all the trim pieces. These are the edge pieces for the wing here. So this thing goes like that. That looks really nice. And here are those side marker pieces that I was talking about. It's amazing the quality of work that these cars from the 70s had. These are like metal pieces. Now they're completely plastic, something equivalent to it. Here are the side scoops. This is, I don't know if that's a plastic or a metal, but you can see it's a completely blacked out treatment. And there's some more of the trim pieces. Let me go around here. I see the mirrors. That's okay, man, I got it. Here are the mirror pieces. Those are also been painted black. So yeah, it's not all put together, but it's coming along. Let's go back and take a look at the car again. Let me give you some brief history on this car specifically. So this car is painted Starlight Black, and the reason why it's painted Starlight Black is because that's what the original color was. And in 1976, I believe they only made about 2,000 of these, or at least these painted in this color. Hence, this is somewhat of a rare color. Again, going back to this black paint, I wasn't expecting a lot. I was kind of skeptical on what it would look like because black is very hard to pull off, and I think it's got a really nice finish to it. It almost looks wet, which is what you want in a black colored car, and I can't say much greater things about it. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to put this thing together and to give you guys some more updates on it. So I was kind of browsing around here at the shop. We've always got cool cars here. Fiat Arbath, this is a really cool car. It's really nice. And of course, that S63 AMG right there. That's always an amazing car. Great experience, fun to drive. That is a 190E, 1993. That's also a drive steady car. Maybe I'll do a video on that later on if you guys are lucky. Here's a cool car that I found like tucked away. This is a a boat of a car. It looks like it's a 70s era Cadillac, and it's got red seats. And let me come around here, man, with the hubcaps. And oh, one thing I forgot to point out, the wheel covers. That's always a cool touch. So let's go around here. Let's look at the front of this thing. Yeah, that's really cool. I'm not sure what this car has, what the specs are and whatnot, but yeah, this is pretty cool. Nice Cadillac with a red interior, huge steering wheel. Come over to the other side, I saw something that's really nice, a cool detail. Look at this. Look at that. That's pretty cool. The wooden inlays with the design, really cool looking. Yeah, this is just stuff you're never gonna get in a new car. Some of these Cadillac details on the back here. Yeah, definitely a cool car. Tucked away here. All right guys, that's the end of the video. Let me know what you think of the Starlight black color. And one favor to ask of you guys, send me some creative ideas on what you would like to see executed on the Trans Am. Maybe we can pull it off before putting the final touches on it. But thank you for watching this video. Thank you for supporting our channel. And until next time, drive steady.